is for Asphalt Paver, Asphalt Paver, smoothing out the street. B is for bulldozer, bulldozer, strong and super neat. C is for the crane, crane, lifting high and tall. D is for dump truck, dump truck with dirt that likes to fall. E is for excavator, excavator, digging up the ground. F is for the forklift, forklift, moving crates around. G is for the grader, grader, making roads so flat. H is for the haul truck, haul truck, heavy as a cat. I is for impact drill, impact drill, going rat-a-tat. J is for jackhammer, jackhammer, loud and quick like that. K is for kettle truck, kettle truck, heating tar so hot. L is for loader, loader, scooping up a lot. M is for mixer truck, mixer truck, turning round and round. N is for nailer, nailer, making pounding sounds. O is for operator, operator, driving with a smile. P is for the pile driver, pile driver, shaking ground a mile. Q is for quick couple, quick coupler, switching tools with ease. R is for loader, roller, flattening with squeeze. S is for skid steer, skid steer, spinning on a dime. T is for tower crane, tower crane, building up so fine. U is for underground drill, underground drill, working down below. V is for vacuum truck, vacuum truck, sucking dirt and snow. W is for wrecking ball, wrecking ball, swinging with a boom. X is for extreme machine, extreme machine, clearing out the room. Y is for yard loader, yard loader, moving stuff with might. Z is for the zoom boom, zoom boom, lifting